All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public.
India's top policy think tank body Niti Aayog has envisions the country's automotive component production growing to $145 billion by 2030, with exports tripling from $20 billion to $60 billion. Niti Aayog's vision for India's automotive sector by 2030 is ambitious yet achievable. The report envisions the country's automotive component production growing to $145 billion, with exports tripling from $20 billion to $60 billion, the think tank body added in a release. Niti Aayog has released an insightful report titled Automotive Industry, Powering India's Participation in Global Value Chains. This report offers an extensive analysis of India's automotive sector, highlighting both opportunities and challenges, and outlining a pathway for positioning India as a key player in global automotive markets. Niti Aayog's report outlines several strategic fiscal and non-fiscal interventions aimed at enhancing India's global competitiveness in the automotive sector. The interventions are structured across 4 categories of automotive components based on their complexity and manufacturing maturity, i.e. emerging and complex, conventional and complex, conventional and simple, and emerging and simple. Under the fiscal interventions, it has suggested OPEX, operational expenditure, support, skill development, R&D, IP transfer, and cluster development. While under the non-fiscal interventions, Niti Aayog suggests measures such as Industry 4.0 adoption, international collaboration, simplifying regulatory processes, worker flexibility, and supplier discovery. In 2023, global automobile production reached at approximately 94 million units. The global automotive components market was valued at $2 trillion, with the export share reaching approximately $700 billion. India has emerged as the 4th largest global producer after China, USA and Japan, with an annual production of nearly 6 million vehicles. The Indian automotive sector has gained a strong domestic and export market presence, particularly in the small car and utility vehicle segments. Supported by initiatives like Make in India and its cost-competitive workforce, India is positioning itself as a hub for automotive manufacturing and exports. Despite being the 4th largest automobile producer globally, India has a modest share, around 3%, in the global automotive component trade, which amounts to approximately $20 billion. The bulk of global trade in automotive components is driven by engine components, drive transmission, and steering systems, but India's share in these high-precision segments remains low at just 2 to 4%.